In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subscribe button to your Squarespace blog. We'll do this using Squarespace's built-in promotional pop-up, which is a simple, effective way to collect email subscribers right from your blog. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Squarespace. Head to the official site and click Log In. Sign into your account, then choose the website you want to work on. From your site's overview, select Go to Website to open the site editor and dashboard. In the left-hand navigation, click Website to view your site options, then go to Pages so you're oriented with your content. Next, locate Marketing Tools. This is where Squarespace keeps features for capturing leads and running promotions. Choose Promotional Pop-up to open the pop-up editor. Toggle on Display Pop-up. This activates the subscribe prompt on your live site. Don't worry, everything you change here can be previewed and adjusted so you can fine-tune before sharing widely. Now pick a layout. Squarespace offers several designs, from minimal to image forward. Choose one that complements your blog style and leaves the button highly visible. Clean layouts with clear contrast usually convert best. Under Action, set what happens when someone interacts with the pop-up. For a subscribe button, choose the option to collect email addresses and connect it to your mailing list. If you use Squarespace email campaigns, link the pop-up to the appropriate list so new subscribers funnel in automatically. Add your content. Write a concise headline that communicates the value of subscribing, a brief description that sets expectations, and a clear button label like Subscribe or Join the List. Keep the message friendly and benefit-driven. A short note such as no spam, unsubscribe anytime can help build trust. Control the pop-up's behavior. Adjust when it appears, such as after a few seconds, after scrolling a percentage of the page, or on exit intent, and set frequency limits so returning visitors aren't overwhelmed. Consider disabling on small screens if it interferes with reading, or use a subtler trigger for mobile. If your design includes imagery, add an image that reflects your blog's topic. Use a lightweight, high-quality file so it loads quickly, and ensure the image doesn't distract from the button. When you're done, use the preview to test the experience. Open your site in a private or incognito window to simulate a new visitor and confirm the pop-up appears, the button works, and submissions flow into your list. That's it. Your Squarespace blog now has a clear, attractive subscribe button powered by the promotional pop-up.